Hi and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be looking at solar and lunar eclipse. Let's start off with solar eclipse. So, what is the solar eclipse? A solar eclipse is when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, blocking the sunlight from reaching the earth. Effects of solar eclipse on the earth. Number 1 is a change which is pretty hard to miss. It is the moon's shadow on Earth. The second change on Earth because of the solar eclipse is a temperature drop. The third effect on Earth is a loss of solar radiation. Types of solar eclipses and how they are formed. There are 4 types of solar eclipses: total, annular, partial, and hybrid. Let's first look at total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse is formed when the moon completely blocks the sun. Annular eclipse is formed when the moon completely covers the sun but leaves behind a ring of fire. Partial lunar eclipse happens when the moon only covers half of the sun. A hybrid eclipse is a special kind of eclipse. It switches between annular and total solar eclipse. Safety measures. There's just one rule to be safe in a solar eclipse. You must wear a goggle because if we don't, the ultraviolet rays might damage our eyes permanently. Moving on to the second part. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse is when the sun, earth and moon are arranged in a straight line. It is lot like a solar eclipse, but the only difference is that the earth and moon switch spots. How does the lunar eclipse affect the moon? During the lunar eclipse, the moon appears to be red. This is because the earth blocks the moon's sunlight and casts its shadow on it. The red colored moon is called a blood moon. Types of lunar eclipses and how they are formed. There are 3 types of lunar eclipses: penumbral, partial, and total. A penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the moon is completely immersed in the Earth's penumbral cone without touching the umbra. Partial lunar eclipse occur when the Earth's shadow only covers half of the moon. This means the Earth, Sun and Moon are not in a straight line. Total lunar eclipse occur when the Sun, Earth and Moon are in a straight line. The Earth's shadow covers up the entire moon and the moon looks red. This is the total lunar eclipse. So we can conclude that solar eclipse is when the moon blocks the sunlight from reaching to the earth, and lunar eclipse is when the earth blocks the moon's sunlight. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.